Let's see the altitude of a triangle. Now altitude is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the other side. Perpendicular, as I have told you, making 90 degree. That means when you draw a line from A to the other side, it should make 90 degree over here. This angle should be 90 degree. This is called perpendicular. So it's not necessary that this will be the middle point. It has to be perpendicular. Same way from B, if you draw a perpendicular, it goes like this. From C, if you draw, it goes like this. They should also meet at a common point. I am drawing in such a way so it doesn't look that they are meeting. Now if I have a triangle, say whose shape is like this, right? Now you want to draw a perpendicular from this point on this base. That means you will have to extend this base like this. And I have told you earlier also, in maths we do assumption and we do construction on our convenience. So I can extend this line further, and from here I will draw a perpendicular. So this will be a perpendicular till here on this line. Let it be A, B, C, and this be D. So AD is a perpendicular on BC, though it is not physically present on BC. So what you can do, I cannot draw a perpendicular like this. I have to draw it like this. It should be a straight line. I can extend this. This can be done. Keep it in mind. You will require all these things later. So you can extend this BC little more and draw a perpendicular from A to this extended line. So, and you can give it any name. AD will be a perpendicular on BC. So AD is called the altitude or even height. It is even known as height of this triangle. Fine. Height of the triangle on the base BC. These all height concept and base concept you will be requiring when you are doing your area